So I just want to give a quick review on the flour oven. I can't tell you how excited I am. I found out about this from my friend who has a flour oven as well. So I make a lot of resin, and with the resin, you dry your flours. So if you've dried flours before, it takes a while. So we're talking, 24 to 48 to 72 hours. And the benefit of having the flour drying machine compared to your oven is your temperature is extremely regulated. So it comes with instructions and it tells you exactly what temperature you're going to do for what kind of flour. It also has a mesh tray, and with the mesh, it's made specifically for doing handmade crafts, where when you're using your oven, besides not being able to regulate the temperature, the tray that you use in your oven is made differently, where this has the specific grates for drying the flours. For a side note, you could also do other things in here. If you remember Shrinky Dinks, they're great to make with your kids. So if you're looking for a fun project to add on top of it, if you're using this for yourself, you can use this as well to make the Shrinky Dinks. So as you can see, it's zip tied together. I'm going to undo that, but it has the different trays. And what you do is you're going to put your flours right into here. Okay, so to start, I'm going to do a daisy and a chrysanthemum. So if you look in the book, it tells you that a daisy is 240 degrees, so is the other one, and they both get set upwards. So it tells you the direction that you have to put the flour and the temperature and the minutes. So you can see here, it said to place it upwards. So we're just going to place it into the diamond slot, and then I'll place the other one over here. Same thing, upwards. You can see that you have your amount of minutes. So we're going to go to 60 minutes, and we're going to go to 240 degrees. So you can see there's little arrows on here, so you can see exactly where your temperature and your time is. And it also has a fan in here. A regular oven doesn't have the fan control. Okay, so 30 minutes has passed. So I'm going to open the oven, and I have a heat glove on, and I'm just going to remove the one flour. Is the flour, and it is absolutely dry. It's shut off. I'm going to take out the second flour now, so I don't get burnt. And that is perfectly dried.